Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today, I'm so excited. I have Colleen as my guest, and we are unboxing Paolo Tricot.
Yay! I love Paolo. As you can see, I love Paolo Tricot.
Hello, ladies, and welcome. Yes, Colleen has one of her favorite skirts on, I think.
Yes, yeah. I have two of them actually.
Two? Which black?
I have the tobacco color.
Oh,
one.
you have the tobacco. That's right. That's a beauty.
Yeah.
I have the black in the leatherette, and then I have this in black.
And this is chocolate. This one.
That's the chocolate.
Yeah.
So that's from last season, ladies, and we loved them. And then we sold out, and we had to keep reordering. But I think there's a new spring summer skirt in here that you're gonna love. But yeah, so I'm so happy to have Colleen join me here today on the couch on our unboxing. Lousje is away. She is in PEI visiting one of her best friends, Yanni, and she went for 5 days to visit her. I believe Yanni moved out there a couple of years ago with her daughter, and her husband and children moved out there. She was in Toronto and she said, "What am I doing here?" You know, so she went out to be Oma number one for the kiddos. And so Lousje is out there for her first time. So we're so excited, but thank you for being here.
You're welcome. Thank you.
So how's life?
It's very good.
She was trying to sit down here and she said, oh, I have to be careful because what are you doing? How many squats?
So ladies, I took a challenge on Facebook for the Cancer Society, and it's for 100 squats a day for the month of February. So if you add that up, it's 2,800 squats in the month. So it's getting easier as the days go with the squats. So by the end of this,
you're gonna have a nice tight butt and for a good cause.
For a good cause,
for a great cause.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, you have a little story to share.
I do.
I don't know if a lot of the lovelies know this.
No, I don't share it a whole lot, but I'm proud of it.
Absolutely.
I am a cancer survivor. A few more months and I can fully say that I'm in remission or out of remission.
Woo!
Yeah. So I did survive cancer 5 years ago, and I'm here today with you lovely ladies.
Yeah, amazing. Oh, we love it. We love it. It's such a great story, and we're so happy that you're doing so well.
Thank you.
It's awesome.
Thank you.
And you look so beautiful with the Lousje Bean boxy top.
Yeah.
And in the white. You have how many now?
6 or 7.
Well, there's more colors coming, ladies, so watch out.
Yeah,
Colleen's gonna have first dibs.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, I wear them in the summer and the winter. So
all year, right?
All year long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you love your tank dresses too.
I do.
Yeah.
Yes, I have 3 of those.
And your lovely earrings.
Yes.
Siriglio.
Yes, they are.
With the I love it with the bracelet.
Yep.
Very cool.
Yeah, a little bit of bling on it as well. The ladies know I love my bling. So,
yes.
The little sparkle.
The little sparkle. And that one's so subtle.
It is.
That is beautiful. Oh yeah, and the ring. Love it. Great. And then look what I chose.
Oh, your favorite, Ayala bar.
Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful that is. I mean, it's just stunner. Yeah. I wear them all the time, every day.
Pieces.
Yeah.
They all are.
Yeah, and casually too. Like it's not, I know it looks so dressy, but it doesn't have to be.
Nope.
And then I'm loving all the grisas. Woo, beautiful. All right, let's open up what we have. This is our first shipment from Paolo Tricot for the spring summer collection. And some great basics in here that we're gonna love. You're gonna love.
Yes.
Well, especially this color.
Yes.
I feel like this is such a great color, this army.
That's really nice.
So this is a great little linen basic tank, but it's got, isn't it beautiful?
Oh, I love it.
It's got this awesome fray detail on the sides. And it's just going to be such a great little tank. I believe small to extra large in that guy.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll go great with a lot of our basic pieces here too, in the shop.
Yep.
Underneath things.
Yes, exactly.
Sweaters,
yeah.
cardigans.
Just a little staple.
Yeah, we all need those.
Absolutely. So we also did it in a navy, which is also another heavy color in this summer. I know.
Navy and white. Love navy.
Navy and white. It is beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, all the linen
so
pants
nautical.
that we have, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yep, beautiful. So there we go. That same top and one more color we got. Look at this taupe.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah. Awesome color. It's going to be a great little tank.
Linen, that means summer's coming.
I know, it does. And all right, I'm going to save the skirts for last just to surprise you.
All right.
All right. So there is another little tank we got, and this is more of a cotton spandex.
Oh, that's a lovely feel.
Isn't that feel great? Like a t-shirt fabric, ladies. It feels great. It's light. And then it has a satin border here. Again, frayed, which is so cool. Oh my God, it's so funny. Every time I look down, I think, oh, I have a hole in my sweater. Yeah, I got a lot of holes in my sweater. But how great is that, ladies, with the pink shining through? But every time I was passing this over to you, I'm like, oh, shoot, what happened? Oh, geez. All right. There we go.
I like that.
That's a nice boxy fit,
that
too,
is nice. Yeah. No, and it's not too long.
No.
So it's really nice.
Really, really nice. And then we got it in white. It's sort of would you call this a creamy white?
It looks, it's hard. I would say it's more of a creamy white.
Yeah.
It's not a pure white.
Yeah, but you could see how that t-shirt fabric, it's nice. I don't think it's going to be see-through. It's beautiful.
It is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Be cute with your skirt.
It would. I know exactly. I was thinking
Were
the
you
same
thinking
thing
that?
when I put that up there.
Oh. Is it hard to unbox everything here?
Yes,
And like
and
take everything out?
And I'm steaming. I'm like, I want this one. I want this one.
Oh my God, it's so funny. I love it. Oh, all right. And yeah, beautiful. What would you call
neutral.
that? Very neutral.
I would call it not really taupe, but almost a camel.
Yeah, camel.
Almost a camel.
Yeah. Good name for it.
Yeah, and it still looks good with browns.
It looks great with the brown.
Yeah.
And I love this satin border. Look how pretty that is.
That
It's
is really
little
nice.
feminine detail.
Very pretty.
I love it.
Nice for the really hot summer days.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be really nice.
Yeah, beautiful. And then we have, I know I bought a bunch of sweaters with this collection, but this is our first box here, but we have, so how cute is that?
I love that.
Is that beautiful?
Pink is my favorite color.
I know, with the white.
Yeah, it almost looks like an autograph.
I know, it's got some like art and like scribbles.
I love that. It's so cute.
Yeah, it's great and nice and free. I don't know if it's a couple sizes here. Yeah, small, medium, and then a large, extra large. Be a nice dolman sleeve.
Yeah, I love that length actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I got your new summer outfit. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, hold that shirt up.
Okay.
And here we go.
Uh-oh. Yep, you're right.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, I love that.
Look at how feminine this is.
That is so
and it's got the little underskirt, ladies, so it's not, it's nice and light cotton. It's 100% cotton, and it's got the two
layers.
Yeah,
so you don't have to worry about wearing
or you could always wear the same bicycle shorts, which are great. Ladies
even
love
a 3/4 crop too, you could too.
Yeah.
Very nice.
But look at nice elastic waistband. It's a little thick band here. And then you can put a belt on if you like, but yeah, beautiful.
I love this.
Isn't it great?
Yes,
I know. I was so excited.
There's nothing like a crisp white, like either pair of pants or a skirt.
Yeah. I know. And this will be flowy away from the body in the summer.
Oh yeah,
it'll be
that's
perfect.
Really nice.
So there you go.
Perfect.
You can put it on your hook.
I already know what I'm wearing.
Oh, that's so funny. I love it. All right, and last but not least, look at this color.
I think I like that better than the white.
This one?
I do.
Yeah. And then the tanks to pair up the tanks. Beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, that is
great,
nice.
Great color.
Yeah, and with a little pair of white running shoes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, you have a few pairs of white running shoes.
Colleen
Colleen loves her shoes.
I love my shoes.
She always comes in, I got these on the weekend, or what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing my booties, yeah. And they're from Mark's Work Warehouse.
Oh, so, nice.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Anyway.
Well, thank you so much for joining me
Thanks
today.
for having me.
That was awesome. And we look forward to pairing this up in the boutique. Spring, summer stuff is flowing in. It's so exciting. As always, ladies, if you have any questions, let us know. Paolo Tricot's sizing is pretty great. Small to extra large. All right. Anything else?
No, I can't wait to get out there and show all you lovely ladies.
Yeah, awesome. All right. Have an amazing day. Hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.